Now the very last thing we left is deleting a player. So deleting a player is very much similar to updating. So let me copy and paste it here. We need to change our query. Const this query would be delete from players where id is equal a question mark. This id will get from here, okay, and we don't need this name and club. Okay, we only need id to delete any player from the database. Okay, so let's try it out. At first, go to the index.ejs. From here you see inside td I have created two link a tag. Actually one of them should be form for submitting to delete a player. Okay, form, and the form class, actually I don't need any class, and action would be delete / API players and delete. And this is a post request, but we also need to post here the player id. Let me check once again what is the URL. It would be delete, and instead of put this should be delete. Okay, we also need id here. Update delete question mark. In this place of question mark, just copy the player id and paste it here for deleting. Okay, after that / underscore method is equal delete. Remember I said browser only support get and post request, but we are requesting for update and delete also. That's why we are overriding the method. We don't need this delete link anymore. In here we need to set an input. Here before this underscore method there should be a question mark. Save it once again, reload the page, reload this page, and delete hidden hazard. Deleting, but something went wrong here. Let me check what's wrong. It's saying you have error in SQL syntax. That means something went wrong with SQL. Delete from players where id spelling was wrong. Let me reload the page once again, delete hidden hazard, and deleted successfully and redirected to the same page. That's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. I have teach you how to show all the records, how to delete any items, how to update and how to add a record. Okay, that's all stands for CRUD. If you like this video, please like. Thank you for watching.